Alright, we got Honda HRV right here. I believe it is 2017. No power. Came from a couple of different shops right here. So doesn't show any power. We're getting a power to the ignition switch and everything. Problem with this vehicle is the ground. How to find out the ground problem? So we're doing a voltage drop right here. We're getting 9.5 voltage drop, which means ground is missing on the chassis. So gonna do a little trick right here. Apply the ground. Let's just see the voltage drop. Alright, voltage drop is 0. And let's see if we can get a power inside the car. There he goes. We got the power. So the issue is it's missing a ground on the engine block.